welcome to ReturnGO. Let's get you set up. To open ReturnGO from your Shopify system admin, click Apps, then ReturnGO Returns and Exchanges. Then you're in your ReturnGO dashboard. Welcome. Before you go live, there are three main things you need to do. You need to set up return methods, set up your return policy, and then go live by integrating your portal into your Shopify store. It's pretty simple to get set up and get started. Of course, if you want, you can always set up more advanced workflows and settings. You could do that on your own, or you could book an onboarding session with someone from our support team, which you can do by clicking here on Book a Session. You can also contact us at any time through the live chat or email, and our support team will be happy to help you with anything you need. For now, we're just going to get started with the basics that you need to do before you can go live. Step 1 is setting up your return methods. So under settings here on the left, you have all sorts of settings that you can customize, including return reasons, resolutions, branding, system settings. We're not going to go through all of them now, but you can explore those and personalize them to fit your preferences. For now, let's take a look at return methods. Here you can customize the return methods that you offer, meaning how your customers will return their items, if at all. You can edit each return method by clicking on it, or add new ones by clicking Add Return Method. And here you can set up all of the settings, including how it will be displayed, the return shipping label settings, shipping integrations, the return address, and shipping instructions as needed depending on the type of return method. Take into account each type of return method will have a slightly different settings that you can change. Don't forget to save the return method once you finish setting it up. So once you've set up all the return methods the way you want, you'll need to set up your return policy to show when you offer each type of return method and resolution. So under return policy here in the menu, here you can set up your return policy rules. And based on these rules, your portal will show your customers the relevant options that they have for their return, depending on the eligibility conditions that you set. So you can set exactly what options each customer will have in each situation. Click on any policy rule to edit it, or create a new one by clicking Add Rule. Make sure to enable the policy rule in order for it to be active. Now, each policy rule is made up of a resolution, which you can choose here, like a refund, exchange, store credit, gift card. Eligibility conditions, which can be based on the customer, item, RMA, or order criteria that you can set up using and/or rules. And a return method, which we just set up, saying how the customer returns their items in this scenario. That you select here. This is also where you can set up automation rules for the different steps of the returns process, like auto-approve, auto-refund, auto-exchange, and more. As well as any fees that you want to charge the customer, like shipping fees or restocking fees. And these you can set here based on either a fixed amount or a percentage. Once you're done setting up the policy rule, make sure to save it. Now you can set up an unlimited number of policy rules to really outline how to handle every possible scenario. And the last step for getting set up is to go live with the portal by integrating it into your Shopify store. So to do that, you'll go to Integrations, Products and Services. Here you can see all of your integrations. Click on Shopify integration and enable the integration with your Shopify store and save it. You can also customize your return portal URL here. Then you're going to take the link to your portal and place it wherever you want the portal to appear, such as in your website header, footer, product pages, or confirmation emails, so that your customers can easily find your return portal. So to add your portal to the store, you're going to copy the URL here and go to your Shopify store admin. Let's say you want to add the portal to the website footer. You'll click on Online Store, then Navigation, which is where the different menus are. Then in this case, we'll click on Footer, and then Add Menu Item. Paste the portal URL here and add the text you want it to appear as. For example, Return Portal, Start a Return, Returns and Exchanges. And then you'll click Add and Save. And then your customers will be able to see this in your website footer and easily request a return or exchange on the portal. And that's it! Those are the basic steps for getting your portal set up. Of course, there are endless settings and configurations that you can use to customize the system to work exactly the way you want, including customized return reasons, resolutions, languages, branding. You can explore the system yourself and check out the knowledge base, which you can access here, which has all the instructions on the different settings, features, capabilities. Or alternatively, like I mentioned before, you can book an onboarding session with a ReturnGO expert to get help fitting the system to your specific need. Again, we're always available to help answer any questions you may have. Good luck, and thanks for choosing ReturnGO.